Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a CAT S53 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, basically this operation of removing the data from the history of the browser looks similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will figure out how to remove the history from your browser, taking the basis from this video. So let's enter the browser and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the history, and as you can see here, we've got the list of previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one in this section just by tapping on this X button right next to the particular website. However, if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to do it automatically just by tapping on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything, as you can see. We can also change the time range from last hour to last 4 weeks, for example. So if you're ready, tap on Clear Data, tap on Clear, and as you can see, the history is empty. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your CAT S53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.